This block of South Broadway comes to a standstill as firefighters attack the few remaining embers from above and below. Budicky Paints has been here since 1868, selling paints in the same building for decades. But in just a few hours, it all went up in smoke.
And they had all the streets blocked off.
More than 100 firefighters battled the smoke, flames, and heat while neighbors watch.
I was worried about the paint exploding because they have solvents and spray paints, and I was worried the whole block was going to go.
At 2 a.m., it was an inferno that lit up the night sky, raging out of control, erasing a family-owned business in just a few hours.
They were an institution. I have some cans of paint in here from 1950s that say Budicky's on it.
By daylight, reality set in.
This is never going to get rebuilt. That's never going to get rebuilt. You know, it's going to turn into like Detroit.
Sources tell us the blaze started on the first floor, the same floor where the paint is stored.
We don't know what actually caused the fire at this point in time. That's still under investigation.
At a bad fire like this one, there are good Samaritans.
We always bring water to a fire to hand it out to firefighters and anybody that might need some.
The water flows through the streets and fills the basement of the business next door. While it is pumped out, firefighters continue to pump in more water to douse the few remaining hot spots. In the end, no one was hurt, but very little could be saved. In Fells Point, Kathleen Cairns, Fox 45 News.